What's up, guys? Same day. I did tell you I was going to be making, I did make, a little Kinect gun, and here it is. So, I'll be showing you how it works and how it shoots. So here we go. It shoots these little spears I make, and so, yeah. So I keep looking to see if my mom's going to come out, because the remake, I had to remake it like 6 times. So, yeah. So, here we go. So, it's got a push lever action. It is a little lever kind of thing. And so here, so you pull back, the lever gets stuck in front of the bolt. And when you push it back, it should release. So, there we go. Here we go. I'm going to shoot it. Pull it back. Might work. Okay, here we go. So, you load it. It's a muzzle loader. And, here, line it up. So, here we go. I'm going to aim it up a little bit, so I'm going to move that up a shot. So yeah, there it is. So, if you people are watching, I appreciate it. And if you can, press that subscribe, or push it, or whatever device you have. Just go, boop, push it, just tap it. Yeah. Well, see you guys. Have a good day. Bye.